Okay, I guess we can start.
Yep.
Okay, so again, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. Um, so for this webinar, we will be discussing more about SDS2. Okay, so before that, I would like to introduce our company. So we are the GSI Group, and actually, we are authorized partner for 8 different countries. So we are a partner from Vietnam, Cambodia, Hong Kong, Thailand, Philippines, Myanmar, Laos, and of course Singapore. So about GSI, we have 4 offices. So we have office in Vietnam, mainly Vietnam, Hong Kong, Singapore, and of course Germany. And we have, as what I mentioned, we have 8 countries that are we are authorized to sell the Allplan software, and we have about 40 plus dedicated individuals who are um, willing to help or guide you on about if you want to have or you want to try the software. So we have also developers on our company. So for consultation, you can see below that you can call us, contact on this number, and of course you can also do an email to our sales at gsi-group.asia. So our key of services here is actually we are providing solution for your AEC workflow. So we optimize the workflow that you can do for your projects. So we are actually resellers of Allplan, Bluebeam, Freelo, Graphisoft, and Solibri, Idea Statica, and of course also the Sophistic. So if you want to try or you can just contact us, book an appointment with us using the QR code. So you can scan the QR code below to book an appointment. Okay, so next. So just an introduction about myself. So I am Jason Panganiban. I'm a civil engineer by profession, and I've been working uh, for 13 years in the precast industry using Allplan Precast. So I'm a technical specialist of GSI. And if you want to, let's say, if you want some query or you want to have a one-on-one session or you have question regarding precast, Open Precast, then you can just scan the QR code or you can email me on my on this email, the jtanganiban at gsi-software.com. So before I continue, I would like to if you have some questions, by the way, you can go to your panel. You can see there is a Q&A tab. If you have questions, then you can just write in your questions there, so that after the presentation, we will try to answer all your questions, and we can have also a live Q&A at the end if time permits. Okay. So before I continue with my presentation, I would like to just show a poll. Um, Maybe we can flash the poll. Yep. Okay. So here is something like if you have heard about Allplan or SDS2 and able to use it. So I can give you about 2 minutes. Just place in your answers. Just a short poll. Yeah. Okay. So check about the polls. Okay. So 1 more minute. So coming. Okay, I can give another more minutes to coming. Still changing, so yeah. Okay, so we will be closing in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we can close the poll. Okay, so for the percentage, 43% actually is a percentage for no, never heard of this software. I think I can share this screen, right? Yeah, so far, as what you can see, we have 43% for no, never heard of this software, 29% for yes and able to use, and 14% for yes, only Allplan but never use, and SD2 but never use. Okay, as I have expected, it is not really that known in our country, especially in the Philippines or in APAC. So that's why we are here to introduce you the capability of these softwares and how it can really help you on your projects, on your on detailing your projects. So to continue, okay, sharing my screen, share my screen again. Okay, yep, okay, let's continue to my presentation. So, Allplan is actually under Nemetschek Group. So it's like this the big company which has different softwares, which is the softwares are divided into 4 or 5 different categories. Where in planning plus design, you can see here the Allplan. You have the Graphisoft, Risa, Solibri, and Vectorworks, and of course for the design will be the Freelo and the SIA. So for this part already, you already have the full functions or full solution for your project. Another is the build and construct, which is the Bluebeam and Nevaris. So this is more on the coordination for those 2D elements, or I mean the 2D drawings. So especially for Bluebeam. And then of course, the next one is the operate plus manage, which is composed of the Crem Solutions and Spacewell. And of course, on the media and entertainment, we have Maxon and Digital Twin, which is the Rufus. So for this one, since we mentioned about Allplan, so Allplan is actually the AEC solution for your construction. So it will have I can say all the solution that you can get, like for example, architectural, engineering, precast, construction. So it's everything all in Allplan. So just to give you an idea, Allplan has also the SDS2 inside. So just to give you a short overview about the SDS2 by Allplan. So this is actually a solution wherein you can all do the modeling of the steel structure and use the connection SDS2 to incorporate in Allplan software. So basically, if you're familiar with SDS2 already, you will have the same, or you can say it's the same functionality when you use Allplan, because we have a built-in SDS2 inside Allplan. But at the moment, I think because this is under development, so in the future, definitely you might have the um, the capability of doing all the details needed for your steel structures. Okay, so this is just an overview about Allplan. I may now call Mr. Kishore to do the presentation for the SDS2. Yes, you can see.
Thank you. So this is the SDS2. My name is Kishore and I have 11 years of experience in steel detailing industry. And in these 11 years, I have then started my career with the scrubbing of single parts, beams, columns, vertical braces, horizontal braces, process, stairs, rails, whatever. All the members, what are the members? Steel detailing, generally we saw. All those I have worked with all those. And I done modeling, detailing, erection, and I played a role as a team leader also. Currently, I am working at Enhanced Consulting Engineers. We are the resellers of the SDS2 software all over India, along with the Allplan solutions also. Now, coming to SDS2. SDS2 is having, we can do 3D model, design, and 2D drawings extraction for the same 3D model. In SDS2, we can get automatic connections, whatever required connections what we have for that particular project. We can use live multi-users. Say, for example, all the data is saving in server. From that server, client will access same project. It means at a time, multiple people can work on the live project. Coming to fabrication intelligence. So SDS2 is running with the narrow AI intelligence. Here, it will give you all the fabrication needs without any manual editings. And we can do easily stairs on handrails here in SDS2. Coming to the automatic piece marking. In SDS2 automatically analyze all the members in the model and it will automatically combine all the piece marks which are having the same length, thickness, material properties. It will automatically combine. Miscellaneous and plates. Yes, we can customize our miscellaneous plates and whatever cuttings, whatever we can do in SDS2. And seventh one is coming to complex geometry. Yes, we can do complex geometry also in SDS2. And for that geometry, SDS2 will give you some, it will suggest you some connections. So if you are okay with that connections, we can go ahead. Or if you want to customize that given connection, we can customize the same connection as required.
Mr. Kishore, sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt. Maybe you can share the full screen of your presentation.
Okay, and all good
Okay,
now.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, here we can do the complex geometry and we can get the CNC and MRP reports from the SDS2. And even so many of the fabrication machines also integrated with the SDS2. That means we are getting some CNC report from the SDS2. We can directly give that report to that particular machine. This all the integration have been done. Next, design integrations. In SDS2, there are so many design integrations. Like if you have any MI Tech plugins or SideBlade plugins or Durafuse plugins, we can directly import those plugins into SDS2 and get the connections easily. Next, I will show you few of the through SDS2. I will explain you how it works. Now, coming to SDS2. So this is the SDS2 main window. I will minimize this one. Is this one? Okay. How to hide this one back in my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yeah, you can see thank you, Jason. So this is the SDS2 main window. Here, this is the SDS2 detailing window. Here, this is the window for the 3D modeling, and this is the window for the 2D drawing. So if you see in the project settings under design, so it will design calculations and connections as per the design codes, Euro codes. as per our codes. Whatever giving you codes, as per codes, it will give you. Coming to model, I will do few model. And this is my some sample job I have taken. This is one sheet with foundation plan. And this is the S2. This is my second level. Let us assume these are the control documents what we receive from the client. Okay, now I am going to import these control documents, structural drawings into the SDS2. On that imported drawing, I will make it as a reference drawings, and on that reference drawing, I will build my model. So this is the model, and I will do this one as my solid ones. 1 second. So this is the model. Now I am going to add my model, remaining model in this area. And here I have already imported my drawings, S1 and S2 drawings as a structural drawings. So these are my S1 and S2 drawings. So I have already imported, and SDS2, if you see, S1 I have imported at the foundation level and S2 at the second level. So now I want only foundation one. I will go to foundation level. This is my foundation level. If you see here in bottom, SDS2 is automatically depth checks like 1000. So here we can't see second level. I already imported S1 and S2. Now I am able to see S1 only. I can't see S2. If you want both sheets S1 and S2, you can simply remove this checkbox. Then you can see the both S1 and S2 sheets. At this level, at this foundation level, I want only S1 sheet only. This is my structural drawing S1. On this layout, now I would like to add my columns. Just I will split this one. And I will make it as 2 ones, and this one I will make it as a 3D model. You can see. Now I will add my columns here at this level. Members, add members. If you see here, my column is, I will make it as somewhat bigger. And here coming to the members column, now I will add my column. I am taking column here. You see here, it is asking for the column profile. Now I will give you my profile, 356 by 171 by 51. So in SDS2, there are automated, we have the all built-in profiles in SDS2. No need to download and no need to install and no need to depend on the third parties. If you see here, all the profiles, what are available in British standards, Euro codes, you can find all the profiles here. No need to download and no need to install third-party plugins. I'm taking this one as my column profile. And now this is my bottom connection. I have already created my base plates here. Sorry. Here. Yes. Okay, here this is my column. I have created my base plate. If you have any base plates, you can create your own base plates also. This is my base plate. I created as one. You see, this is the base plate schedule. I have created my base plate as BP1. If you have multiple base plates, we can create all our base plates here, like BP1, BP2, BP3, like that. I am selecting my base plate for this column. And coming to this one, this is the bottom elevation for the same column. I am selecting my bottom elevation as 30796. It's not happening. 076 on top elevation as 41453. Okay, I added here, and same column I would like to add here. Same profile, intersection point here, and coming to here. Now profile is changing. 254, 254, 73. Okay, 254 by 254 by 73. I'm selecting my profile here. Column and 254, 254, 73. Here and here, here. Sorry, here. Here this is 90. Can make it as 90, and here also 90. I'm escaping this one. This is also 90. I will make it as a big. If you see here, what is happening here? You see here, this is the model with added columns. Added these columns. One more is missing. That one. Here I missed something. I'll copy this one to that. Add button. Copy member. Can copy same profile. Here. Escape. And now you can see model. Now you can see 3D model now. So in this way, we can build our model. This way we can build our model. So just now I added columns. I will make it as a transparent. Display. These are my added columns. In the same way, we can add second floor beams also. Now the second floor elevation is 34138. I will go to 34138. 34138. The 34138 elevation. And here now I will add my column beams. Sorry, beams. I will add my beams here. Taking beam from B356, UB 356 by 127 by 33. From this point to this point, and here the same profile is, if you observe here, SDS2 is automatically generating the connections. Same profile, and here 356, 127, 33, and here it is 52 now. Now, sorry, 32, 33, 52. Okay. Now it is sorry, please bear with me. System is not in my hands. Sorry, please bear with me. What is happening inside this one? Right. Something is internet connection. I'll check internet connection. I will go here and here. Let us see. It is. And my reference drawings are imported drawings. S2. This one. E4. 34138. This one. Numbers. Beam. This much time is taking. Okay. And here 52. 52. Okay. From intersection point to intersection point. Okay. 20, 33, 27, 33, 33. Now here I mentioned something. This one also added. You see the beams and one more beam here. 56. What's happening here? And from here to here. I will make it as a solids here. Display. So these are the beams. I will remove my reference drawing now. Just check it off. Okay. Now these are my beams. I will remove in and out. And if you see, these are the second floor beams. Now for the column, I would like to add my anchor bolts. Now I will simply select my columns, all the columns here. And here in SDS2, we have one great tool called Anchor Rod Quick Add tool, Anchor Rod tool. So this is my Anchor Rod tool. Now it's generated in the Anchor Rod selected column, and I'm hitting OK. And I'm hitting OK. Now this is the Anchor Rod pop-up window. Here I will give all the values like it's a straight anchor rod or hooked anchor rod, straight anchor rod, whatever. Here I will give the length of the anchor rod 605, 150, 69, 150, 30, 51, and 455. And this is the top base plate washer. If you want any washer, we can add the washer like square plate or thickness, and I'm hitting OK. Okay. You see, SDS2 is generating the anchor bolts for all the columns. So I don't want this one. Okay, I will extend this column also to top. Let's see. What is happening here? Remember, I'm editing. So again, why? This is the top elevation. And now, if I want to copy this all the members from this floor to second floor, I am keeping this one under beams, and I am selecting all my beams at a time, and I will copy members. Think okay from this intersection point to second, third level, and to roof level. I just copied my all members. Now you can see my model. In this way, we can build the 3D model from reference drawing. You see here, SDS2 automatically generated the connections. If you observe here, SDS2 generated the end plate connection here, and I will go to the surface. And if you see, it's generated the connection here. And if I want to change this connection, and yes, you can change this connection. Now, I would like to change this connection from end plate to shear tab or fin plate. Now I'm editing this member. And here I am changing my connection from auto standard to website plate. If you see here, there are variety of connections are there like end plate, bearing, splice, welded moment, fully welded moment like that. Now I want only website plate. I'm hitting OK. Now SDS2 is asking, there are total 9 beams with the same connection and same length and same profile. So do you want to change this connection for entire 9 beams? No, I don't want. I want only this one. If you observe here, it's automatically generated the connection for the shear tab. Now, if I want to change this one from 1 column bolts to 2 columns, and yes, we can change this one from 1 to 2 columns. Now I will change this one, go to connection specifications. Here, if you see, there are 2 column bolts here. I'm just simply checking this one, okay. Now you can even check the loads also. It is generating this connection for the 263.8. I'm hitting okay. It's automatically calculated the length and giving the connection with 2 columns of bolts. And if you observe here, in this connection, both sides, we have end plate connection here, so that SDS2 is given the clip for the safety. So like that, we can generate the connections here. For the same connection, we can even get the design calculations also. I will show you how it is. This is the expanded design calculations, desktop, GSI, open, save. So this is the design calculations for the same beam, what we generated with fin plate connection. This is the design report. You can get the design report here with all the loads and where SDS2 is generating connection and all the values are passing now. So this is the reference from where it's taking and design forces, all it's calculating and giving connection. So if something is passing means it will give you like a okay. If something failed means it will give you failed connection with red color for the same beam. So in this way, we can generate the connections for entire members and we can apply same connection at different location by this is the option save. We can save the same connection by customizing or editing, and we can reuse the same connection at different locations. Okay, coming to next one, I would like to explain you, we can simply model and we can simply do the staircases also. So this is here. Yeah, these are my staircase lines. Now in SDS2 we have a great tool called Quick Add Staircase. This is my tool, Stair Quick Add. I am taking this one, and this is my intersection point. From this is the bottom point. From here to this intersection point, and from there I'm hitting OK by giving all my near side flight and supporting work points on return lengths. All those I given values, and I am hitting OK. What's happening with this one? From this point to this intersection point, second flight I am adding now, and from second point to top one. Now I'm hitting OK. SDS2 is generating the staircase at this location automatically with all the values what we given at the time of pop-up. It will automatically calculates the landing weight and return values, all those. It's generating the connections now, the members, and it will give you all the support spans, whatever required for the staircase. Automatically we will get all those values here, the members. It will take some time due to the staircase, and at a time, in a single shot, you can get, if you have multiple flights, like if you have a 20-story building, 25-story, 30-story building, you can simply click like bottom landing point and top landing point like that. We can get entire staircase within minutes. For that, what we need is we want our lines where we want to locate our staircase, and what is the landing, where is the landing, and where is the what is the width of the stair, and these are the values we have to give the inputs at the time of starting. It will take time. Done. Now I will show you my staircase now. Display. I'm just making it as a solid. If you see, this is my staircase. So if you have thousands of floors also, we can simply, I will hide wall, this one, I will hide this wall. So if you have hundreds of flights also, we can simply add. For the same staircase, now I would like to add my railings. So if you see here, this is a great tool in SDS to add handrail to the stringer. Now I am selecting my handrail to stringer option here in SDS2, and I am selecting my stringer 1, And here we can give the values like left return values and all those and post values. And I'm selecting again one more stringer. And second one, third one. And in this way, if there are multiple flights are there now, we can select all the flights and we can hit on OK. We can do with like OK. Okay. And now I am hitting OK. If you see, SDS2 automatically generated the all the handrails for the stringers. It is generating 3D members now from stick frame to wireframe. So these are all the automated ones what we can get through SDS2. So no need of any third plot plugins, and no need to select 111, and no need to hide something. You see, this is the beauty of SDS2. So here in left hand, if it is generated with the post, you don't want post means we can simply make it as a like return. I am editing this one and I will make it as a like return. I'm editing this one. I'll show you how to make this one as a p end. We can convert this one to the p end also. And here if you see on the right hand, we have the post. And now I want to p end means we can change this one to p end also. And if you want to change any post, we can change post also. Post to post spacing and post profiles and railing profiles, all those we can change. It is happening, something is happening here. We can see our p end. We can change this one to regular ones like that. And in this way, sorry, what is happening here? It's supposed to take this one and return, splice, and post, whatever we want. We can select our requirement and click on OK. Yeah, or return or post. Make it as a post now. Shall I try now? It's not taking the post. I see why. Even it is not canceling. Sorry, something is fishy. Oh, my entire model is closed. Okay, no problem. I will open one more window. So in SDS2, it will automatically saves all the data. So no need to save in model. You see, I have already added my staircase and my railings here. I will make it as display. I'm going to make it as this one as solids, and I'm hiding my walls now. And if you see here, I already added my staircase and railings. So all the data is there. So this is the beauty of SDS2, and no need to save one by one. It will automatically stores data. Now coming to my railings. This one, I would like to change this one from post to okay. I will take one more. So in that way, we can change this one. And coming to flat handrails, and yes, we can add the flat handrails in SDS2, same as the stair rails. So now in this portion, I would like to add my flat handrails at the top. Now this is the option for the handrails members. I'm taking my handrail, quick add handrail. This is the continue flat handrail. And this is the add flat handrails. Now I'm taking add flat handrail and I'm taking my exit point from this point to this point. And if you observe SDS2 automatically generating the, here we can give the offset values if you even want. From there to here, this exit point. Okay. I will remove this preview button from also. And from there to here and here. And if you observe, generated the railing automatically with all these splices. With all the required length and splices, if you observe, see here, SDS2 is generating the railing to the from stick to wireframe. This is the railing. So for the same railing, if you want to add any mesh or pickets, yes, we can add pickets or mesh for the same railing. Now I will add few pickets here. You see here mesh. This one is the mesh. Style is I want as a mesh or picket. I'm hitting OK. Fishy. What is happening here? Why this is not taking OK? I will keep it as empty. Now, can you take it? No, still no. It's happening today. It happened to my system. Sometimes this is not. It's not taking anything at all. Okay. I will open one more model to show you. Keep it as it's happening here. It's still there. Okay. Members display. This one I will solid. I will hide this one. Let us display. And now baby cancel. Come on, come on. And yes, we can move railings also. Say for example, if you want to move any post from one point to another point, we can move those posts also. I will show you the option. Members, handrails, move post, move handrail post. We can simply select this one post and we can move in any direction. Like 500 I am giving. You see SDS2 will automatically select and calculate the values, and it will automatically adjust some this one. SDS2 and task. Okay. So here in SDS2 we have we can do design calculations and members as per European countries and as per American countries and as per Canada and as per India also. So if you want any calculations, we can get as per the respective codes. So in this way, we can get all the members and we can build the model and we can do connections, staircase, miscellaneous, all those. And for the same model, I have generated few drawings. I will show you my drawings also. I'm opening my drawing 2D editor window. So this is my drawing editor window. Here you can see these are the erection drawings for the same building. For your reference, I am showing these drawings, erections and shop drawings, detail sheets, and single parts also. So this is the anchor bolt plan, second level, third level, and roof, high roof. This is the elevation view for the staircase. So these are all the drawings what we get from the 3D model. So here there are no editings and no manual things. These are all the automated ones along with the piece marks, elevations, and profiles. It will give you automatically. No need to edit here. And coming to shop drawings, I will show you a few of the shop drawings here. Detail sheets here in SDS2 we call it as a detail sheets, and this is the beam with connections what we done in 3D model. This is the beam, and here we can get automated all the connections and bill of material also. No need to edit bill of material. Along with the it will give you like grades, field balls, all those it will give you automatically. No need to edit anything. So whatever we have in model, that will reflect here in 2D. So if you want to customize anything means we can customize and we can add more dimensions. So here in SDS2 it will give you what are the minimum dimensions for the fabrication needs. So SDS2 will give you all these details. So if you want any additional dimensions or additional data like labels, all those, yes, we can customize as per the fabricator requirements and we can add those extra dimensions and extra labels also we can add. And here in SDS2 we can automatically get the paint information. Say I will show you. So if you put any paint information for this beam, that paint information will reflect in bill of material also, and same will reflect in drawings. So no need to edit each and every beam. If there is any paint information, standard primer or galvanized, something like that, it will automatically reflect here in 2D. Coming to single parts, I will show you a few of these single parts here. Here in SDS2, we call it as like a gather sheets. So this is the single part for the same model. So here in SDS2 automatically recognize the material with same profile and same length. So it will automatically recognize the material and it will combine all the members. You see here, this is the A1 and here in only one is there for the quantity. And it is attached to the horizontal press HB94. If there are 100 items in that model, it will automatically count and it will give you like 100 here in quantity. So no need to calculate as a manual and no need to give here in input. So if you observe here these are the two quantities for the 93, HB93 and 94. So it calculated and given two quantities. So these are the short drawings. Once this one done, we can get CNC reports for the same one. And here, if you see here in exports, these are the different reports: CNC, FabTrol, KISS, SPN, EJE, FabSuit, Tekla EPM, Tekla PowerFab, Steel Projects, BIF, P2, Stroomis, Advanced Steel, Stroomis BIMREV. These are all the exported MRP reports. And in addition to that, we can have field board summary like point-to-point report and field board summary and KISS files. And once this was done, we can get the PDF submittal here. Now I will give you, I am selecting my erection sheets. Hide this one. I'm selecting my erection sheets in the first window, and second window, I will select my detail sheets. And in third window, I will select my gather sheets, nothing but the single parts. And here, this is the project number, like project name, I have XYZ, I am giving from X. So here we can give all the details like project number, address, all those. Two, I am giving this one as a GSI, and from enhance, and I am hitting OK. Shit. I will hide this one, taskbar settings. It is this one, taskbar behavior, automatically hide. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm taking this. Why? Browse. Disk something. What is happening? I really don't know. Something is going on in the system. So here we're supposed to select all our erection sheets, beam sheets. Okay, thank you, baby. Disk. I'm selecting my desktop, and on that I will select GSI. Hitting OK. I'm giving this name as a submittal, and I will save this one. Now it is generating all the PDFs from the SDS2. I will show you my folder, GSI folder. So on desktop, this is the JSA folder. Here I will get this submittal one. I mentioned I given name as a submittal one for this one. Okay, no problem. What is this one? Desktop, GSI. That's this one. What is going on here? Okay, plotted it together sheet entry A16 already in use. Okay, where is that one? Okay, I closed that one. Now, can you please show me? A16, never opened that one now. Here it is. Okay. Global orbital should be make it here. Now coming to SDS2. Yes. Okay. Now I will go to my folder, JSF folder. Here you can see submittal. I am opening these are my drawings. So this is the sheet what selected. S1 to S6 are the erection sheets, and these are the beam sheets. And this is the final 2D output from SDS2. These are the erection drawings or GA drawings. And these are the beam drawings along with the bill of material. There is no editings. It all generated through the SDS2. And yes, if you want to customize anything, means we can customize. In, for example, in a particular project, if you have all the columns in this way, means we can make it as a template and we can reuse same template for remaining columns also. If you want any customization, so no need to do each and every column. We can create templates and we can reuse those templates. And hey, Jason, that's it from my end. And if you have any questions, you can ask us.
Hi. Okay. Hi, Kishore. So there is a question from our attendees. So this is a question from Mr. Fook Nguyen. I see you show the.
I can't see the question here. Where is this one? Can I see the question?
Can you see the question? There should be since you are a panelist, you should be able to see this. Do you have the option? Anyway, I can read the question. Is that okay for you?
Okay, fine.
Okay, so the question is, I can see you show the calculation of the connection. Please correct me if I skip any part. SDS2 calculate based on which factor, because I don't see you assign any load to structure.
Okay, folk. So here in SDS2, we given the load, automated load. I will show you where we given. I will just minimize this one. In the project settings, design, here you can assign the loads. It is a uniform allowable load 50%. So here I assign 50% load for that entire project. 50% as shear and beam moment as 85% I assign. So it will applicable for the entire model. Next.
So I just do a follow-up question. So for that setup design, is it applicable for all the projects that you're going to do, or you need to change it in depending on the project?
Exactly. If you want, after assigning this 1% of loads for entire project, after that, if you want to change any particular beams, like 1 and 2 beams also, you can edit particular beam load and we can give manual loads also.
So anyway, maybe we can end the session now. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Kishore?
Yeah, if you have any questions, you can reach us. My email ID is kishore.vemulapati@enhance-eng.com. You can reach me. I will clarify your questions if you have any doubts.
Thank you. So by the way, this webinar is recorded. So for those who have joined, you can review. You can watch this again once we upload this on our social media platforms. So as you can see from the bottom, we have the group GSI-group-Asia. So you can scan the QR codes below to follow and see for our upcoming more webinars. So I hope we give you some overview on how SDS2 and Allplan can help you on your projects. Okay, so I guess no more questions. I think we can end the session now. Again, we thank you for your participation in attending this webinar. Thank you so much, Sir Kishore.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you again.
And we have more webinars to come.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, great. So thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, everyone.